Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mallory Jane Creates. My name is Mallory, and today I'm going to show you how I made this lampshade behind me. Now I had it all recorded in December, I think it was, but my phone decided to shut off and never come on again. So unfortunately, I do not have that footage. But up until this point, it's actually really easy. All it took was pearls and feathers and a glue gun. That's all I did. I just want to also recommend, if you have fabric glue or E6000, I recommend using that instead of just gluing, I'll show you here in a second, gluing the pearls on as I did. My dogs are on the bed playing, so sorry about the noise. And also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Guys, I'm trying to upload at least like once or twice a week for sure. And also, if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I love you guys, and I really appreciate you subscribing. Next step, I'm going to be taking this fabric. It's just like a table runner actually, but I'm going to be folding it. I'm going to put it like this. We're going to sew it on. But I wanted to show you also, if you don't have fabric like that laying around, I have like, come on, Shabby, she's like messing the bed up. I have this old dog dress. You could totally take, I was thinking about it, like that looks freaking adorable. I just want to show you can use things you have laying it around. I have this old tank top and this with like, if I didn't already do all this, I probably would use this. But if you'd like, if I was to cut the top of this off and then just use the bottom part and hang it around, like that would be so pretty. But I feel like people like have stuff like this like laying around, they don't wear anymore, just really like pretty things. And anyways, they can totally be used for things like this, just so you can have like a really unique lampshade that nobody else is gonna have. But yeah, like you can like this would be really pretty to use for something. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. So I want to show you what I've done so far. I have 3 rows of small pearls that I went along, and you can see like the glue here. That's why I'm saying like use fabric glue. It dries clear, and I don't think you'll have this. You can't really notice it though, to be honest. Anyways, I did 3 rows. I went the whole way around. And then all I did right here, then next I cut the pearls and I glued it here, went down, glued it here, here, and up here, and I did the same thing the whole way around. So glue it here, here, there, and then here and here. And then guys, I did the same thing with the feathers. I just placed them where I wanted them, and I glued the bottom and the top, and I did this all with glue guns. And then like these pearls are just hanging from there. I just literally took, this is one great big long one. I just took it and I wrapped it around so it's set. And if anybody wants to know how I did my nightstand, I actually did this on my own, and I have a video on that if you go to my channel. And then I also made these on my own too. I have a video on them if you go to my channel. So here I'm just wrapping the material around the lampshade to see how much I'm going to need for this project. And then next I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut that right where it needed to be. And then here I'm just taking the material and folding it at a crease. I'm trying to figure out like how far down it needs to be folded, because I don't want to cut the material off. I just want to fold it over. I think this part real quick. I took a glue gun. I folded this whole thing in half. I took it and I glued it right here, and then I went pretty far down in here. And what I did was, where I glued it, I tried to find the bigger parts like here to glue it on. And I did that the whole way down just so this holds up well together whenever I go to sew it. Here guys, I'm just taking pins and placing them where I'm gonna be sewing it. And when I did it, I pushed it up because I want the feathers to just like stick out a little bit at the very top. I think it looks cuter that way. Just went the whole way around until I got to the end. And then I overlapped it. I did cut mine, just to let you guys know, I did cut mine a little bit longer, so it was overlapping just to make sure I had enough. Okay guys, so here I'm just taking the needle and the thread, and I'm putting the thread through the little hole on the needle, and then I ended up tying a knot twice. And then next I'm just folding a little bit of the thread in half, maybe about 2 inches down. So I fold that in half, and then I'm tying a knot. I ended up tying a knot 3 times. And you're going to want to start from the inside, because you're going to want this piece to be on the inside. And I don't think it really matters where you start. Just make sure you get it through the actual the material on here and then through the material that you placed on it. Sorry about that, guys. And then just, yeah, pretty much pull it through and then back. I'm going to do mine pretty wide, my stitches, because you're not going to be able to see it anyway. So I'm not really worried. I'm just going to get it good enough so that it basically stays and doesn't fall off. So yeah, guys, so yeah, just keep going the whole way around until you get to the end. And in here, I'm just showing you once you get to the end, you need to tie a knot on the inside. And make sure you're ending on the inside because you don't want to have a knot on the outside where you can actually see it. I ended up tying this knot, I think it was like 3 or 4 times to help it stay. And then you are totally done and you can put your lampshade back on the lamp. This turned out really cute. I love it. I ended up putting some pearls you can see at the very top. I didn't like tie them on there or sew them or anything. I just set them right on top and they laid there perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or anything, just leave a comment down below and let me know. And I love you guys, and until next time.